You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Look carefully. Where is the avocado? Where is the pineapple? Where is the blackberry? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the watermelon? Where is the papaya? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.